Hi guys! Today we are here with Bluey and we are going to learn about ocean life. Are you excited, Bluey? Yes, I am! I can't wait to learn about all the animals in the ocean. I know, look at them all. This book is called Ocean Life and it's going to help us learn about each of the animals. Look, here's an octopus and a dolphin and a sea turtle. Look up there, there's a jellyfish and even a bunch of regular fish. As we read along, we're going to take a look at each individual animal. Are you ready, Bluey? I am super ready. Okay, here we go. Splash! Our big blue oceans are full of life. Just have a look at all of these colorful fish in all shapes and sizes. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 fish. Wow, that's a lot. Whales are the giants of the ocean. A blue whale can grow to be as long as 2 school buses. Can you believe it? That is really long. Wow, that's like this long. That's right, Bluey. That is really big. And did you know that whales breathe air through a blowhole on their head right here? Dolphins are smart and playful. They communicate with one another by making sounds like this. Click, squawk, whistle. Real dolphins sound like this. Did you know that dolphins travel in groups? And those groups are called pods. Now let's count the dolphins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dolphins on this page. Sharks have lots of sharp teeth. If they lose a tooth, another one quickly grows in. Wow! And a baby shark is called a pup. Like a puppy? No, Bluey, a pup. P-U-P. Different than a puppy. Here is a picture of a pup with her mama. 2 sharks swimming together. An octopus has 8 arms. Can you count them all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, that is a lot of arms. And did you know that an octopus also has 3 hearts, blue blood, 9 brains, and no bones? Wow, an octopus is very different than we are. We only have 1 brain and 1 heart. That's right, Bluey. Have you ever held a seashell? Look at all of these right here. I love collecting seashells at the beach with my sister Bingo. They come in lots of shapes, colors, and sizes. You can find them on the beach, just like Bluey said. A seashell is a hard cover for an animal that lives in the ocean. Just look at all of these different kinds of seashells. There are super long ones. There are circle ones that are like twisty, like a spiral, pointy ones, and then all different colors. This one looks like a fan, and this one is blue. Let's count all these seashells together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 seashells. What's that? It's a seahorse. It can quickly change colors to blend in with the background, helping it hide from enemies. Look how it blends in green with this flower, and then it blends in red with this sea plant. Did you know that a seahorse father carries eggs in a pouch until they are ready to hatch? I didn't know that. Wow! And crabs and lobsters have hard shells on the outside of their bodies. Their claws open and close to catch food. And you have to be careful because if you're not careful, you might get pinched. A crab pinched me once on the beach and it really hurt. My mom had to get it off. Sea turtles have flippers to help them swim. They live mostly in water, but lay their eggs in the sand on the beach. Sea turtles have lived since the time of dinosaurs. Wow, they must be super, super, super old. Well, actually, they are, Bluey. They've been around a long time. Fish have a tail and fins to help them swim. Here is their tail, and here are their fins. Most fish are covered with scales, which help protect their body and help them move. Did you know that fish breathe through the gills on the side of their head right here? Do you know how we breathe, Bluey? Yeah, I breathe through my nose and my mouth. My mouth if my nose is stuffy. That's right. Good job, Bluey. Jellyfish have long tentacles, these things, which they use to capture food and sting their enemies. Ouch! Some jellyfish can even glow in the dark. Wow! That's amazing. I wish I could glow in the dark. That would be so, so, so cool. I wish I could glow in the dark too, Bluey. What is your favorite animal in the ocean? Is it one that we looked at today? I like them all, but I especially like the whale. Or is it a different animal that we didn't look at today that lives in the ocean? I also like the dolphin. I like the sea turtle. I like them all. I like them all too, Bluey. Hey guys, it's me, your friend, Bluey. And I've got some awesome ocean friends here with me. Do you guys want to play a guessing game? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. I'm going to ask a question and you are going to pick out the right animal. Okay? Are you guys ready? Let's get to it. This sea creature can get really big. It can grow as long as 3 school buses. Do you guys think you know which one it is? Shout it out. Did you guess the whale over here? Then you are right. There are many different types of whales, but some certainly can get that long. Also, did you know they live a long time too? Some of them can live 80 to 90 years. That's amazing. Okay, let's put Mr. Whale over here to the side. It's time for our next clue. Are you ready? We have 4 sea creatures left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, here comes the clue. This sea creature has been around for millions of years, since even when there were dinosaurs on the earth. Do you think you know which one it is? Which sea creature? Shout it out if you know the answer. Did you say the sea turtle? The green sea turtle over here? Well, then you're right. Turtles are super cool creatures. I wish I could carry my house on my back. That would be so cool. Okay, let's say bye to Mr. Sea Turtle and let's get on to our next clue. Bye, Mr. Sea Turtle. Now we have 3 sea creatures left. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, here comes the next clue. This sea creature is a master of disguise. That means that they can camouflage and change colors whenever they want to hide from some predator. Do you know who I'm talking about? Which sea creature? Shout it out. Did you say the octopus? Great job. This purple octopus is the answer to the clue. Now let's say bye, Mr. Purple Octopus. And let's get on to our next clue. We've only got 2 sea creatures left already. Okay, let's go. This sea creature is an omnivore. That means that they eat plants and other animals. Do you know who I'm talking about? Shout it out if you know. That's right. It's the crab. Wow, you really know your sea creatures. Look at this cute little orange crab. Okay, bye, Mr. Crab. We'll see you later. This is our last sea creature. Do you know what it is? Shout it out. That's right. It's a seahorse. Seahorses got their name because of how they swim upright like this, and because their head kind of looks like a horse. But they're not really a horse, of course. They have gills just like fish, and they swim underwater. Great job! You figured out all of these awesome sea creatures today. How about some sticker fun? Would you guys like to join me? Okay, let's get to it. Check it out. I've got this awesome ocean scene. Well, it's an ocean under the water scene. Have a close look. This is what the ocean looks like under the water. Look at all of those awesome plants and rocks. Now we have to add some sea creatures to this scene. Okay, let's grab some. Wait, where's Bluey? Oh, there she is. Okay, Bluey, we need your help. We're going to find some awesome sea creatures. Oh, first I have this dolphin. This dolphin is gray. Isn't she adorable? Let's put her over here. She likes to jump right out of the water. Dolphins are super playful and love to jump in and out of the water. Now, who do I have next? Oh, I have this cute little purple and blue fish. Let's put him over here. There are lots of different types of fish in the ocean. Now, up next, I have this starfish. Did you know that if a starfish loses one of their arms, they can actually grow it back? That is amazing. Okay, next up is our cute little blue whale. As we learned before, whales can grow up to 3 school buses long. Wow, that is really long. Next up, this is a swordfish. This is not really a sword, it's actually part of their upper jaw, but they use it to help them catch fish to eat. He's super cool. There are so many types of plant life that live on the bottom of the ocean floor. All sorts of colors and sizes and shapes. I'm going to add some plants to the bottom of our ocean. Here's a yellow plant. And then I've got this purple plant. Let's put that right there. And I think I've got a few more that I'll add a little bit later. Right now, I've got our friend here, Mr. Seahorse. He's yellow. Did you know, like octopus, seahorses can also change color to blend in with their surroundings? Okay, our next sea creature is going to be Mr. Octopus, who we just talked about. The octopus creature is a super intelligent animal. They're actually one of the smartest animals in the ocean. Now I've got Mr. Red Crab. I'm going to put him over here near this plant. They like being near the bottom of the ocean and they use their pinchers to catch food. I'm going to add another starfish and I'm going to put this one over here near Bluey. There we go. Our next creature is super cool and has 2 shells to protect their soft body. It's called a clam. Look at this. Clams come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. Super cool. Of course, in the ocean, you will find all different kinds of shells, different colors and shapes, of course. I'm going to add a few to our ocean scene. There's one, and I'm going to add another little fish here beside our blue and purple fish. Do you know that when fish swim together in groups, it's called a school? And here's another fish to add. Oh, there we go. I've got another pink seashell I'm going to add up here near our octopus. There we go. Do you like to find seashells when you're swimming near the beach? When you find a shell, it was usually probably a home for one of our awesome sea creatures. And here's Mr. Shark. Ooh, he's one of the predators in the ocean, which means he eats a lot of all of these smaller fish. I love the shark. He's one of my favorite creatures in the ocean. Me too, Bluey. He's super awesome. We learned a lot about the sea creatures that live in our oceans today. Oceans take up about 70% of all of the Earth's surface, so there are a lot of awesome creatures living down there. To be exact, there's about 1 million different species living in our oceans. Look at this! I've got a picture with a bunch of ocean friends on it. Look, do you see them all? There are so many amazing creatures in the ocean, but today I've got some special friends that are going to help teach us about different emotions you might feel. Emotions can be good and some can be not so good, but they're all okay to feel. Let's go through some of these different shells and see what emotions we might want to talk about today. Look at this red seashell. And now I've got an orange one. Look at all the bubbles all over it. Next up, we've got a yellow one that has bubbles like the orange one. And next up, a blue. Wow, this one has cool lines on it. And then next up, we have a purple seashell. Oh, hey, Bluey. Hi. do you want to help us today learn about different emotions? Yes, sure, I'd love to. Wow, those are some pretty seashells. Yes, they are. They're a whole bunch of different colors. And guess what? We've got an ocean friend inside that is going to teach us about different emotions. How about you go ahead and pick the first one, Bluey? Okay. Wow, they're all so colorful and cool looking. I think that I want to pick... how do I choose? It's so hard. I'm going to choose this orange one. Okay, Bluey, let's open it up and see who's inside. Oh, wow! Inside the shell is an orange puffer fish. Let's see what emotions he's feeling. This emotion is sad. Sad is the opposite of happy. It's when you don't really feel good about something or yourself. It's okay to feel sad sometimes, but hopefully it's not too long before you feel happy. Happy is joyful and a good emotion that makes you feel good about yourself and others. Sad and happy are opposites of each other. Okay, Bluey, pick another seashell. Oh, Bluey wants to pick the pink one now. Let's see who's inside. Inside the pink seashell is our friend, the axolotl. Let's see what emotions she's feeling. On this side, she's feeling silly. When someone is acting silly, it means they're being funny and playful. Not too serious like this other side, which is when somebody is not being funny or playful. Serious is when you're thinking carefully about something, usually something very important, and you don't want to joke or play around about it. This axolotl is being serious, and then on the other side, silly. When things are serious, usually they require a bit more attention. Like if someone gets hurt, everybody has to act very seriously about that person. But silly is a really fun emotion to play around with and have fun when you're playing with your sister or your friends, right, Bluey? Yeah, me and Bingo get silly all the time. We have so much fun playing. That's good to hear, Bluey. Why don't you go ahead and pick a new seashell? I've picked the orange one and the pink one. Now I think I want to pick the blue one. That's a great choice, Bluey. Let's see who's inside the blue seashell. Can I make a guess? Of course, Bluey. Maybe a fish? Oh, it's an octopus. It's a blue octopus. Let's have a look at how he's feeling. On this side, he's feeling embarrassed. Embarrassed usually makes you feel a little bit uncomfortable or shy. It happens when maybe you did something wrong that you wish you hadn't. Sometimes it makes you feel like you want to disappear. But on this side, this is the emotion for proud. Proud is when you feel good about something you did or something that you have or maybe someone that you know. I'm proud of my family. I'm super happy to have them. That's right, Bluey. You can definitely be proud of your family too. Proud is a kind of feeling of happiness. You might feel it if you get a good mark at school or if you won a race. Okay, Bluey, time to pick a new seashell. We have a purple one, a yellow one, and a red one left. I wonder, I think I'm going to pick the red one. Let's see who's in the red one. Okay, Bluey, let's open it up. Inside our red seashell is our friend, Mr. Crab. On this side, Mr. Crab is feeling surprised, and on the other side, he's feeling mad. Mad is a very strong emotion that can make you feel uncomfortable and out of control sometimes. But the good thing is there's ways to sort out that feeling of madness and get back to a happier place. When I'm mad, my mom usually tells me to count to 10 and think about what happened. That's a good way to sort out mad feelings, Bluey. Another way is to take deep breaths. Now let's see what's on the other side. This side is showing a surprised emotion. Surprised is when something happens that you didn't expect. It might be like a surprise party or if you see someone that you didn't think you were going to see. Sometimes surprise can make you even feel a little embarrassed, but sometimes it can make you feel happy. But either way you feel is okay. We've only got 2 seashells left. I wonder which one I want to pick first, the purple or the yellow. I think I'm going to choose the purple. Let's see who's inside. Inside the purple is Mr. Jellyfish. Hello, Mr. Jellyfish. On one side, Mr. Jellyfish is calm, and on the other side, he's worried. What's worried? Worried can make you feel a little bit scared or uneasy about something that you're nervous about doing. Maybe it's something new you have to try. It's okay to feel nervous, but then the opposite of nervous is calm. Calm is when you feel good and you're relaxed and you feel really comfortable. You might feel calm when you're at home with your family, or if you're reading a book or playing a game you really like to play. Calm is a really happy feeling that can make you feel very good and at ease. Okay, Bluey, time for our last seashell. What color was it again? Oh yeah, it was yellow. Let's have a look at the yellow seashell. Here we go. I wonder who is in the last seashell. It's a starfish. Hello, starfish. Let's see what emotions our starfish is feeling. Oh, on this side, our starfish is tired. That can be when you're feeling sleepy, like you want to go to bed. Or tired could also be if you've been doing a lot of activities and running around a lot. Maybe you need to rest for a bit. And on this side, the starfish is excited. Excited is a happy feeling when you're excited about something that's going to happen. It means you feel really happy about it and you can't wait for it to happen. You can feel excited for things that are going to happen, for someone to visit, or maybe somewhere you're going, or even a holiday like your birthday or Christmas. There's lots of things that can make you feel excited. Here are all our ocean friends. Remember, we had the axolotl who was feeling silly. Then we had the starfish who was very excited. Mr. Crab with his big wide open eyes who was very surprised. Our friend the pufferfish who was happy. Then the octopus, who was feeling super proud. And then our jellyfish, who is super relaxed and calm. Most of these emotions are positive emotions that make you feel good. How are you feeling today? Have a look over all of the emotions that we've talked about today. Are you feeling happy? How are you feeling, Bluey? I'm feeling a little bit silly, but very happy today because I think I'm going to go outside and play with my sister Bingo for a while in the park. That sounds like a lot of fun, Bluey. I'm glad to hear you're feeling good today. You're feeling very happy, just like our friend Mr. Pufferfish. Whatever emotion you're feeling today at home, it's okay to feel that way. And we're so happy you stopped by today, and we hope to see you again soon.